The East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Owner and Driver Association held a successful meeting with Rangbah Shnong to tackle traffic issues in Mawkhar and surrounding areas. President Wan Don Bok Jirwa expressed optimism about the meeting's outcome, citing productive discussion on easing traffic congestion. To address concern, the union will station volunteers at Mawkhar to regulate traffic, particularly at the entrance to Mission Compound. Additionally, drivers violating traffic rules will face legal consequences.
Naglan demi ngasih me kuik senja ba ngenyebuk do volunteers hangte yapo Mawkhar Mawkhar te kalau kalat menolak permission wakabru ke penuh menginyo ban pendek hanko ban weng yang lebih hangkali mat kino ki drivers ki ba penkhanye kini ki kendon ki ba ngi lambu naglan demi kaseng hi ngilakan syai hakmat kedorba kolong ba ngin phak be chakaan ai ba kaan kan le ya berangkam.
A special Gram Sabha meeting was